Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your speaker JBL Charge 6. You have to start by open JBL Portable application, and in the first line we have Equalizer. You need to scroll it, and the last preset is a custom one. So tap on it and then click Edit. And now you can make something, let's say that's okay for me, and when you finish, just go back, and it's saved. Also, we can reset if you don't like what you made. You just click at the reset button at the right top, and you have it by default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!